Hey there folks! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of firearms and ammunition. Did you know that a single high-quality round can cost up to 5 times more than your standard ammunition? It's a staggering difference that leaves many people scratching their heads. That's right, it's a shocking number. But there's a lot more to it than just the price tag. But what makes that ammo so darn expensive? What are the hidden factors that drive up the cost? Let's dive in and find out. We'll break down the elements that contribute to these high prices. So today we're going to unravel the mystery behind the skyrocketing prices of certain types of ammunition. It's a topic that affects everyone from casual shooters to professional marksmen. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key factors driving these costs and what it means for you as a consumer. Knowledge is power, and in this case it might save you some money too. First off, there's a common misconception that all ammo is pretty much the same. Many people think that a bullet is just a bullet. Many folks think it's just brass, lead and a bit of powder, right? But there's a lot more that goes into making a high-quality round, but the reality is far more complex. The intricacies of bullet design and the technology involved are astounding. Understanding why some rounds cost a small fortune can be a real challenge. Let's break it down step by step. One major factor is the manufacturing process. The journey from raw materials to finished product is a meticulous one. Premium ammo often undergoes rigorous quality control and precision engineering. Each round is carefully inspected to ensure it meets high standards. These steps ensure consistency, reliability and performance, which all add to the cost. It's about delivering a product that you can trust every time you pull the trigger. Then there's the materials used. The quality of the metals and propellants can significantly impact the price. High-grade metals and advanced propellants come at a higher price. These materials are chosen for their performance and reliability. Demand plays a huge role too. When more people are buying ammo, prices naturally go up. When there's a surge in demand, like during hunting season or in times of political uncertainty, prices can soar. It's a classic case of supply and demand. Market trends also influence pricing. If a particular caliber becomes popular, you can bet the prices will reflect that. If certain calibers become popular, manufacturers may raise prices to capitalize on the trend. But here's the kicker. The most significant factor driving up ammo prices is the scarcity of materials. The most significant factor driving up ammo prices is the scarcity of materials. Metals like copper and lead are becoming harder to source. This scarcity drives up the cost of raw materials, which in turn increases the price of the final product. Advanced technology in production, like specialized coatings and precision machining, also adds to the cost. These innovations are designed to improve performance but come with a hefty price tag. These innovations improve performance but don't come cheap. The investment in technology and research is reflected in the price you pay. So to recap, we've got manufacturing processes, high-quality materials, fluctuating demand, market trends and material scarcity all contributing to the high cost of certain ammunition. It's a complex web of factors that all play a part. For us as consumers, it means paying a premium for top-notch performance and reliability. But understanding these factors can help you make more informed decisions. Have I got thoughts on ammo pricing? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and engaging in these discussions. And don't forget to check out my other videos on firearms and ammunition. There's always more to learn and explore in this fascinating field. Thanks for tuning in and keep your powder dry. Until next time, stay safe and happy shooting.